Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making eggless chocolate cake. To make this yummy cake, first of all preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and grease a cake pan well with cooking oil or spray on bottom and on side walls. You may use any shaped pan. We are using a rectangular loaf pan. Also line the pan with parchment or butter paper, and if you don't have parchment or butter paper, simply dust the pan with little all-purpose flour after greasing. Keep it aside for a while. Now put a large wired sieve on top of a large mixing bowl, and add 1½ cups maida, that is all-purpose flour, in it. Also add 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda into sieve. Tap to sift all together into the bowl. Place sieve over another bowl and sift again. Sifting dry ingredients together twice helps evenly disbursement of them. Return flour mixture back into large mixing bowl, or you may sift them for a third time also. Add 1 cup powdered sugar into flour mixture. You may use brown sugar also instead of white sugar. Stir to mix sugar well into flour mixture. Make a pit at the center of flour mixture, and pour 1 cup of milk at room temperature into it. Also add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon white vinegar into milk. Finally add 1/3 cup of melted butter into milk. 1/3 cup is equal to 5 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon. Slight variation in quantity does not affect the quality of cake. Start folding and mixing all ingredients well using a rubber or silicone spatula, mixing until batter is smooth and lumps free. You may use an electric beater also to mix, but don't overmix. Batter will be of pourable consistency. Pour batter into prepared pan. Tap the pan few times on slab so as to even the surface. Put pan into preheated oven. Bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until cake is well baked and an inserted skewer at center comes out clean. Remove cake pan from oven onto wired rack and allow cooling for 10 to 15 minutes. Unmold cake from pan and remove parchment or butter papers from all around and leave on wired rack to cool down completely to room temperature before slicing to serve. Enjoy! Hope you liked the recipe. Please write your views on it in comments column below for sure. Your feedback really means a lot to us. Thanks.